Okay, my friend, so here I am going off into the woods in Oregon, pushing myself maybe a little bit further than I should have been past my skill level because that's what you do when you're on a motorcycle, right? Right? Until this happens. But that's the normal kind of stuff that happens when you're trying to learn a new skill like riding a 400-pound piece of metal through the forest. So, what ended up happening was I tried to fix a simple thing and I made it worse. I snapped a bolt in this clamp. I over torqued it, relied on the internets, I couldn't find the service manual, and at that point I had two options. I could either replace the whole thing or try and drill it out, tap it out, and fix it. And I chose to try and fix it. So I got the tools, I looked into it. This wasn't random, I've tapped and drilled things before. But where I messed up was the drilling. I definitely went too wide. And now it's past being able to reuse the original 8mm threaded bolt. So now this part is toast. And man, you guys, the decision wasn't the problem. It was the precision. There's a big difference between knowing what to do and actually doing it clean enough to make it work. I failed this time around. Some repairs just don't give you very much margin for error. Even if you're just a little bit off, you don't just fail, you make it worse. That's exactly what happened here. I underestimated how precise this needed to be. Once you start drilling, baby, you're committed. But now I've got a new clamp coming, and I will just have to try and learn to do it the right way from here. Yeah, that's right. I'm still learning. Hopefully you guys stick around with me and we can get better together. Let me know what I did wrong and what you let me know what I did wrong and what you would have had. Wow. I talk like I got a sock in my mouth. I said, "What would you let me know what I did wrong and what you would have done differently?" I'm like an actor. I don't know what to do with my hands or my tongue. Bleh.